Welcome to Mr. Marr History. In today's video, we will be discussing the National 5 History exam, specifically how to answer describe questions. This is some background information which will give you an understanding of what you're being asked to do. Describe questions will be worth 4 marks. Describe questions can appear in any section of the final exam, and you should expect to see 2 overall. Simply what you're being asked to do is describe what happened during a particular historical issue or describe the key features of a historical event. As has been noted, describe questions are worth 4 marks. This is how you can get marks. You will get 1 mark for each simple point that you make. This is simply where you describe a key feature of the event or issue identified in the question. Basically, say what you know about the topic. You can also get a 2nd mark for what's called a developed point. This is where you provide an additional piece of detail or an example which supports your point. Let's look at an example answer. This question is drawn from the Migration and Empire topic, and it discusses the impact Scottish emigrants had in their new homes. We're looking to make 4 points. We begin with a simple point. One impact simply was that the Scots often became involved in politics, achieving senior positions. In a describe question, this would identify as 1 mark for knowledge. However, it may be that we know an additional piece of information, perhaps an example. As such, we can include this to gain a 2nd mark for a developed point. In this case, we would point out that John Macdonald from Glasgow was the first ever Prime Minister of Canada. This means we've gained 2 marks so far. Overall, this is a clear answer. We begin by making a simple point. We then develop this point with additional points. Because it's a 4-mark question, we need to make 4 points overall. This could either be 2 developed points or 4 simple points or another combination. National 5 History exam, how to answer describe questions. It's really that simple.